Alright, welcome back everybody. This is Resourceful Marcus. Thanks for watching my channel. I'm going to be cleaning my truck here and shine her up, okay? So you can follow along if you want, right? Welcome back. Thanks for watching my channel. I appreciate it very much. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is clean the tires. Spray her down here with my power washer. Oh, turn the power washer back on. Shut it off, gotta turn it on. Alright, so I'm using my Greenworks Pro electric pressure washer, and this washer works better than my gas one. Alright, this product I'm going to spray on here. Let this soak in a little bit. This cleans the tires and the rims, this product. Aftermarket product I bought on Amazon years back. Gets all the grime off the rims. Let her soak in there. Blast her off. Cleaning the outside of the truck. The first thing I do is clean my wheels. Cleaning the wheels. Now, hopefully this camera is not at too stupid of an angle what I'm doing here, so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, that's eating away at that grime. So while that's doing that, I'm going to get on this other side here and soak the tires down. Brake dust, all the shitty pollution in this city. Alright, there we go. And this wheel's already ready to pretty much do here. Nice. It's pretty clean. Alright, this one's pretty much ready. And yeah, this thing's trying to leak again on me. Stupid Chinese fittings. for a second. I want to burn the pump out on this. Spray this other side with this stuff. Rim and wheel cleaner. Sorry for the wind noise. You know how it is with Mama Nature. Mama Nature wants to throw her fury at us, she'll do it. All we can do is respect her. Nice. Try to keep my tires as clean as I can, because the cats, if you don't keep them clean, they like to urinate on your tires. Alright, that's eating away at the grime now. There we go. So this product I just dilute with water. It's concentrated. I think it was in a 2-liter jug when I bought it years ago. Alright, let that soak in a little bit. It's eating the grime. It's eating the grime on the wheels there. Beautiful. All the grime right off. This side you can see the tires are cleaner. Rims are cleaner. Yes, they are. A lot cleaner than what they were. Kind of funny how fast the metal rusts now. I've had this vehicle 5 weeks today, and already the rotors, the cap on the rotors is rusting. The way all the metal's made in today's world. Fucking recycled, pardon my language, recycled garbage. That's what the metal's becoming, because it's recycled over and over again, and it's getting shittier and shittier as they do that. Nope. Turn the power on this thing, or I forget. There we go. Alright, blast the grime off now. Beautiful. Alright, so that's the wheels now. Stop this video for a sec. I gotta go in the house and I gotta get my foam cannon.